Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi Note 5 and Mi A1. Mi A1 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. It is only available in one variant priced at 14,000 rupees for the 4GB RAM variant. The Redmi Note 5 sports a Snapdragon 625 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Base variant starts at 10,000 rupees for the 3GB RAM variant and I'm using the next variant with 4GB of RAM. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores of both the phones. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open these 20 applications on both the phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the apps have been updated to the latest version. Both the phones are also running the latest version of their operating system. Purely in terms of specs, both the phones have the same Snapdragon 625 processor, but they're running different operating systems. Mi A1 has pure stock Android based on Android Oreo, and Redmi Note 5 has MIUI 9 based on Android 7.1.1. So for this test, both the phones have the same raw performance but differ in software optimization. So let's see how they perform. So guys, Redmi Note 5 was 9 seconds faster than Mi A1. That was a little surprising. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both the phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and exactly how fast it is when compared to the other phone. For almost all the apps, difference between both the phones was negligible. But to be specific, Note 5 was faster than Mi A1, at least by a few milliseconds. So in the speed test, Redmi Note 5 is the winner. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Even 3GB of RAM should be sufficient to keep all these apps in memory if the phone has good memory management. By the way, Mi A1 has 4GB of RAM and I'm using the 4GB RAM variant of Redmi Note 4. Memory management is very good on Redmi Note 5 and average on Mi A1. Mi A1 was barely able to keep 9 applications in memory, while Note 5 was able to keep almost 12 applications in memory. So even in the memory management round, Redmi Note 5 is the winner. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video. If you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.